Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, you will learn how to fix YouTube error 153 video player configuration error on your device.
Fix 1. Clear browser cache and cookies. Step 1. Open your browser settings. Step 2. Go to Privacy and Security. Clear browsing data. Step 3. Select cached images and files and cookies, then click Clear Data. Step 4. Restart your browser and try playing the video again. Fix 2. Update your browser. Step 1. Open your browser menu, 3 dots or lines. Step 2. Click Help About a browser name. Step 3. Let it check for updates and install if available. Step 4. Restart the browser and reload YouTube. Fix 3. Disable extensions or ad blockers. Step 1. Go to your Step 2. Turn off all extensions, especially ad blockers or video downloaders. Step 3. Refresh YouTube and check if the error is gone. Fix 4. Reset YouTube app. Mobile. Step 1. Open Settings, Apps, YouTube. Step 2. Tap Storage. Clear data. Step 3. Reopen YouTube and sign in again.